You okay selling these guys 5 AKs?
I want to thank you for peeling a few free so I could let this happen.
No problem. Yeah. Hey, you're about 5,000 light.
I'm looking for Good Shepherd Junior High School. My grandson's in it. I thought we were getting the family discount.
I'm 6 miles back. You are. 10,000.
Don't you move!
Hey, open the back!
Russ, we had a deal.
We need to find these guys before the feds do.
Give the man his goddamn money.
Pay him.
It's just a matter of time before the feds connect you to Nate and come after you too.
This way! Watch yourself! Move, move!
Yeah, sorry.
Hey, thanks, Tiny.
Nate will not rat on me.
That's great. Not only do you stink, but you're a fat bastard.
So, how are we gonna get him out?
I think we're going to need a tow truck. Jesus Christ, these guys stink. Shit! Baby, smell my beer! Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Spotted smashed front end.
We got 2 dead bodies in there, man.
Put the gun away. What's up?
Jesus! Get back here! Baby! Run, boys! Get him!
Got all the parts.
White boy was right. M4s.
Couple assembled samples.
Niners had a special order.
Mine to torch the warehouse where we store and assemble our weapons.
Fuwaro. Laser scopes.
What does that do to your business?
Niggas still couldn't hit shit.
We just bought 9 acres on the edge of Amador County. We start rebuilding and be up and running in 2-3 months.
Throw the M4s and blocks in the truck.
So that means you go 3 months without buying the weapons from us? Sam Cruiser used to be for income.
Gotta make the adjustment, right?
What about the other guns and shit?
I mean, it's part of business.
This isn't a business for us, brother.
Torture.
The hell you say?
I'm saying if you can't fund us the cash in that downtime, we're gonna have to fund a new buyer.
Wait a minute. See what I see?
So, how are we gonna get him out?
I think we're going to need a tow truck. That's that douchebag that cut us off. Jesus Christ, these guys stink. Pass one of those Hostess thumb dips.
What are you doing?
Shit!
What are you doing? Hey! My store! This is my store! What are you doing? Don't you come at me now, asshole! Baby, smell my beer!
Holy shit. Get your jacket. Feds picked him up in the middle of the night.
You go out in cuffs?
Where's my family?
Neighbors say no.
My people packed a few of their things, so they're very comfortable.
Hope's debt's been cleared. Federal wire transfers.
Justice uses this facility to transition informants into witness protection.
It's a setup.
Maybe.
Or he gave Bobby up.
Are you charging me?
Now he's come witness protection.
No,
Then you gotta cut me loose.
Why? If he wasn't arrested, what's the leverage?
you need to stay here, Opie, for your own safety.
Who knows how long they've been chipping away at him, Jax?
You see, she didn't get the eyes or the nose quite right.
They could have gotten to him while he was still in Chino.
That's why it fell short of the positive ID.
Paranoid shit. Is it?
Lots of your neighbors saw you get into our big, comfortable black sedan.
Maybe they've offered him a new debt-free life, just what Donna wanted.
No cuffs. Pay off some of those big bills of yours.
Hope's not a rat.
She set me up to look like a rat. It's all a lie.
His truck was wired, his phone was wired, and I killed them both.
Got something you might find interesting.
Cammy Hayes, Megan's cousin.
Clay Morrow.
Take.
That's part of an ATF file on the Sons.
Where is he?
He's dead.
How'd you like to take over Sam Crow's gun business?
Jesus.
I also know when, what, and how the guns are coming in.
Michael McKeevy.
What do you want?
Charming. You kill Clay Morrow.
Good soldier, good friend.
And while the chicken's running around without a head, you hit the rest, wipe out Sam Crow.
It's not that simple.
No, it is that simple, man. You hit Clay first, then you kill the rest. I get Charming, you get the gun intel.
I gotta put down a couple of thousand, making my life miserable. Sam Crow bars. And that greedy cracker shithead.
Yo, we got it. Go, let's go!
Rodrigo Carpio?
No.
Found him in the debris basin.
I gotta tell you something, man. I mean, it could be bad.
3 bullets in his back. There's enough ammo in here to give Halliburton a hard-on.
Those 2 dead Mexicans in the warehouse hall, I was hitting them.
He died 50 yards inside Charming.
Both of them? Oh, yeah.
Bluebird Warehouse is part of my murder investigation. That's a warrant.
You did time, shithead. You were in the DNA database.
In case you've never actually seen one.
CSU team tests those bodies, takes DNA, puts the gun factory at our doorstep. Need 2 bodies, fresh.
You serious? For what?
Holy shit.
And then ATF takes up permanent residence in our collective rectums. Some phone guy took her head off the top of the pole.
I'll take it.
Nobody enters.
Something you might be able to get for me?
What's that?
Emily Duncan?
What if I could do this without spilling blood? Need a Mexican guy, too.
Buried one this morning. Cheap seat should still be fresh.
Where the hell are you?
Yeah, looks like jury's gonna have some backup when the mine shit goes down.
What are you talking about?
Way back! And I'm not alone.
Shit. Mayans.
Mayans, what do you want to do?
Weapon. Behind the bar.
Move the bikes inside!
Go!